So the sentence was, Dad was happy and safe on his walk to the beach. Now I saw safe, that A that we just did, but it's a speech sound sandwich. A. What's a speech sound sandwich?
Safe on
What's the next word you're writing?
Beach.
Oh, I wonder if she's going to be able to do it.
And I'll tell you, it's a speech sound sandwich, so he gets moved over there.
Okay. Just have a look at your word, happy. Oh, she knew. Good girl. I love that. So where are the sound picks in there? Could you just show me by putting a little line underneath?
Oh.
And then tell me about them. What are
On
they?
his walk to the beach. Go.
sound.
They are sound picks for each. I love that. All of this. Can you show this? Can I show you how I said the sound pick there?
Walk.
Wow. That's amazing. And if I was to give you this, let me just show something. You know, if I did this, I went to the beach. Let me think of another E. What's another each? Each. So which one would look right? Which one would? Yes, it would, wouldn't it? And you know that anyway, because you've already written that. You? Wow. Bet your mummy's happy with you, isn't she?
When you finish, show me. Oh, walk.
Oh, I love
it's
that.
a trick.
Oh. Ready for the next word. Oh. So if that was a different put in happy, what would it be?
In safe, that sound pick. Safe on his way to the
Change
beach.
yes.
Right, so
How
I'll
did
change
you
it
know to do that? Because Mrs. Turner Hoskins just said, just look at that word. She didn't give you any clues about which one to change. How did you know? Did you just know? Because you're so clever.
How did you know?
And does that look right now? We'll just think, yes.
to the beach. All right, walk. Work or curve. Work or curve. Now we know what number one, easy, work. Now, straight away, I think or. I can see or. Do this or this or. So many, but guess what? It's not. It's a different one.
And do you know what? It's actually linked with our duck level 1.
Oh.
Which is?
Get ready. And curve. Can you change yours? To do this one, to the beach. Let's go. It's a tricky one. Walk, talk. Because this word that everyone's written, this word here, this means I'm going to work. He's not going to work. And that makes it
It does.
work or to the. What goes at the end of a sentence? Make sure everybody's got one.
And Mrs. Turner Hoskins, does that show you now why if we try and say what does that make, it doesn't work?
Exactly.
Because
it makes.
Yes, it's a yes, we have to. It's a there and an or there.
Totally.
So that's why we do it the other way round. See, what do we here, and then how does it match?
Right, you've just explained it to me. That is the other way round.
Shift. It's the other way around to how everybody else does it.
All right, next sentence. Are you ready? His way to. You did on his way to. I'd do that too.
And I love this because look, you've actually done a what? A. Now just tell me if I wrote this.
I could just watch this.
Which one looks like? Which is the right one? What A? What A? What
Is there
A?
another one? No way.
Which looks right? And that's the bit that's so difficult to explain to teachers. They say, well, how do they know? And I say, because they've got this amazing thing in their heads.
Right, that's
Called
what
their
I've been saying to my
brain.
friends. It just happens.
Yeah, it just happens. You don't need to know why.
Do it. Are you ready? Next one. The. Quick, rub your boards off. Close your eyes. Thinking. The green light went. Click, click, click. The green light went. Click.
She word speech sound sandwich. It was blue.
Flute, or oot. What was it on here?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, keep going. Let Mrs. Corey see you. That's it, you do it. Yes.
On your page, in your book, write down 5 words, and I want them down, 5 words. Any 5 words, go. 5 words like that.
And it's nice, isn't it, that if you, I mean, I know you could go August yourself, but if you want to be quick, you can do that, and I tell you, don't I? Wow! That is a blue level word. That is just...
She did photograph before.
Did she?
Oh, I like holidays. That is a picture of it, but you need a different one. You know which one it is? It's the eye. So if you had to underline the sound pigs, how would you underline them?
Look at light. We've all got light.
Can you do it for holidays? Do it on this one. Can you just show me on that one? Wonderful, good girl. Good job.
So what this shows is you're using what you've got, the kids and everything, but adapting it with SSP or whatever. Yeah, so
We've done our read. They've read that. Underline the sound pics. Go, underline the sound pics. Let me see you do it, Jonah. When we say up, what do we say? Up.
Ute. So it's a blue level speech sound sandwich. The U. Good boy.
One sound pic.
Good job.
And do you know in the writing one, I found a speech sound sandwich, so I did a 3 up the top.
Oh, good job. Loving these speech sound sandwiches. Everybody's looking at their own level.
That's gooing. I was gooing. Was gooing. Click, click, click. Alright. Look, I want 5. Click, click, click. Let's go. There's 3
Good boy.
I'm going to give you a book. Write down 5 words. Any 5 words.
yes, this one you knew. I didn't have to tell you. You knew.
I know that one.
Well, so change that one.
I know that.
You did it. Yes. So just here again. He chose an which was fantastic. He chose an ER, so I didn't tell him. I gave him these, and then he told me which looks right, and then we can change it.
Do you want to do?
Yes, and that's the thing. It's the underlying stuff. So this group.
Good girl.
Saw, we've talked about this 455 billion times.
Plus 1.
Or.
Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. You ready? Is it or? Is it or?
You know,
Is it
I went. Did we went or did we went?
which one?
Work
There you go.
Can you fix
And
went
again, exactly.
Mrs. Grant.
Go back and check. Okay. Find the word in your book. Instrument.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you know Mrs. Grant, is she here?
Write it down.
She's here, yeah. What's her first name?
Rapunzel. Rapunzel's missing today. Her son's playing baseball away, so she's having a girl. Mrs. Grant and I are going to the ballet tonight to see Cinderella.
Instrument.
Excuse me, I don't think this is your classroom.
Oh,
The bird.
Excuse me. Thank you. No,
Oh my God! Really go out.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
did you discover the blue level speech sound sandwich in home? Her own. Good boy.
way
the only
round.
good place for a bird, I'd say. Can you do numbers and lines for bird pie? Go. Bird, I. Yes. As I'm being attacked.
Let's have a look at pie. So
I have a bird issue.
Oh, do you?
Just two sounds in pie, isn't there? Good one.
I have a balloon issue. No.
How are we going? Oh, prep
Are you
red. We haven't done
Now let's have a look.
in pie. Some people have. But I
Okay. Which E's do you know?
Where's the eye? Where's the eye?
So what's the first sound?
E.
E. Yeah. And the one for this one, so what's the first?
EY.
It's EY. You didn't need my help. Good boy.
Oh, see, I don't see. Eyes on me, prep red, please. Tanya. Good job. Dinah, you need to be watching. Let's have a look. Hi. Now we've got bird. Can everybody write down what is the sound pick for Go. In bird. This is a tricky one. Let's go. What's the sound pick in Here we go, Miss Emma.
Oh, you see transparency? Did it 10 minutes ago? Has he understood it?
Yes, he's got the September thing. Here's the kids are doing
UI.
Oh, Ainsley, so close. Back to front. Too easy now. Dirt. We know bird and dirt. Simple. What makes in bird? What are the two letters? Different sound pick. Have a think. Have a think. Look at it. You've written it down. Quick. Izzy. I-R.
And we use the letter names for labels now because they're all
Yes.
That's when we use letter names for
Right.
labels.
Yeah. And then got them. Now, prep red pie. I've got heaps of people who've done this for I. And that is correct. It is the right sound pick. The right sound, but it's not the right sound to pick. Which one is it? I-E. Have a look. Here it is. I'm going to circle it so we know it for next time. Because we will always be doing bird pie.
And if they write pie with an IE and pie with an IGH and pie with another one, they can tell their brains which is right.
Right. Everybody write this, please. P. I. E. Underline the sound picks.
Good job.
Take a picture. Oh, Dad, I need you. Oh, fantastic. Take a picture because you will need this. Because we all like a pie. I actually like apple pie.
With eyes.
What do you like
With a blue little sandwich. Eyes.
cream? Or custard. Alright, you can do that.
Yes.